Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I have my Slash right here, my new one that I just built, and we're gonna take it out for the first time. I am right here, just at a new spot that you guys haven't seen before, and I have all these people right here. I didn't even know they did this here, but like right in my town, that you could dump like your sewage from your RV and your like fifth wheel and stuff and your trailer. I didn't even know they did that, but yeah, I'm out here and we're just gonna play around for a little bit. I'm gonna go to a couple of different spots with the Slash, but yeah, this is the first spot, so let's get to it. Okay, let's get started. Whoa, I'm already gonna mess up the new body. Alright guys, I'm at the second spot. It's where I normally come. You guys know this spot. You know what it is. Let's get to it. Jumping pretty good. Wow. Oh. right, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. This thing performed great. This truck performed wonderfully. It was fantastic. I even ran it off camera for a little bit, and it was great. So if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.